Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the sticker ready. Clean the surrounding paint with isopropyl alcohol so solvents work evenly, then heat the sticker for about 30 to 60 seconds to soften the adhesive. Once the glue is warm, use a plastic scraper or old credit card at a shallow angle to lift one corner. Be deliberate and slow so you don't gouge paint. If a corner won't lift, reapply heat briefly and try again to avoid pulling paint layers. You keep peeling slowly, pulling the sticker back parallel to the bike surface to minimize stress on paint and trim. Once the vinyl is off, treat tacky residue with a citrus-based solvent or a dedicated adhesive remover. Let it sit 30 to 60 seconds so it penetrates. Make sure to wipe from the outside inward with a microfiber cloth using small circular motions to lift glue without smearing. If stubborn bits remain, repeat solvent application rather than scraping harder. You finish by washing the area with mild soap and water to remove any solvent traces, then dry it thoroughly. Once clean, apply a light polish or wax to restore gloss and provide a protective layer. This helps blend the spot and resist future adhesive. If you notice paint lifting or scratches after removal, stop and assess. Touch-up paint can fix small chips, but for larger damage, make sure to consult a professional to avoid making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.